Ito ang literal na nagkagulatan. Russian Navy attack submarine nasa West Philippines Sea ngayon. Sobrang nabigla ang Armed Forces of the Philippines dito. Highly advanced attack submarine kasi ito ng Russian Navy at kayang burahin sa mapa ang buong Luzon. Dito idineploy agad ang BRT o Rizal at sinundan ng US Air Force fighter jet. Tapos dinagdagan agad ito ng dalawa pang Philippine Navy warship. Hindi naman natakot ang Philippine Navy pero hindi nila to ipinagsawalang bahala. Naka-surface naman daw kasi ang submarine at hindi ito nakasubmerge o yung nasa ilalim. Ibig sabihin, wala tong intensyong masama. Nang niradyohan naman ng Philippine Navy, galing daw sila ng Malaysia at babalik na ng Russia. Nagpaliwanag to sa Philippine Navy na walang masamang intensyon ang Russian submarine. Oo, yes, nagpaliwanag po ang Russian Navy. Mapayapa naman tong ini-escortan ng BRT o Rizal ngayon at papalayo na sa territorial waters ng walang problema.
It was monitored by Western Command. They sent a 3 Navy ship to check on the reported presence of the escort dito. Yes. As of yesterday, the report from Westcom was wala na sa area and they were able to hindi nga to the area na reported ang presence, wala na siya doon.
Pero kahit si Pangulong Bongbong Marcos Jr. nagulat sa balitang ito. Wala mang intensyong masama ang Russian attack submarine pero mabuti nang nagpadala daw agad ng Armed Forces of the Philippines ng warship at fighter jet. Siyempre nakakaalarma talaga to. Alam nyo na, matalik na magkalyado ang China at Russia ngayon.
Sa West Philippine Sea.
Yes.
Sir, your comments that the Russian submarine has entered.
We'll let the military discuss it with you, but I don't think it is a subject of this.
Sir, how concerning?
Let's wish Merry Christmas to all these people.
But sir, how concerning is that na merong Russian
All of
submarine?
that's very concerning. Any intrusion into the West Philippine Sea of our EEZ or of our baselines is very worrisome. So, yes, it's just another one.
Kinumpirma naman ng aming Philippine Coast Guard na kasalukuyang nasa West Philippine Sea pa ang attack submarine ng Russia at papalabas na to sa exclusive economic zone ng ating bansa. Mas mabuti raw na antayin ang buong detalye ng Philippine Navy at yun ang tanongin. Dahil militar ang umaaksyon sa gantong klaseng issue sa ating bansa.
I'd like to confirm ang report ng Philippine Navy that there is a presence of a Russian submarine na monitor tayo dito sa may gawin ng Occidental Mindoro. As to the details of that, I think the Philippine Navy has much more information to share to the public. The only thing that we can give is the confirmation that such information is really accurate, that the Russian submarine passed through our exclusive economic zone.
First time kong nakitang hindi nagdalawang isip ang Philippine Navy magpadala ng barkong pandigma sa West Philippine Sea. Wala mang masamang ginawa ang Russian attack submarine, mas mabuti ng escortan na lang to palayo. Kayo, anong masasabi nyo sa mabalis na aksyon ng AFP? I-komento sa baba ang inyong saloob.